Hello, this is your channel Sosanasa Wang in English. I am engineer Emmanuel, and now I'm going to show you how to test this multimeter probe. This is very important to know if these cables are good or not. The first step is very easy. If we watch here, we are going to choose continuity mode. This. Move the selector and choose this. If this point is in communication with this point, and in this way we can know if these cables are good or not. Now, we only need to do this. Touch this test probe with this test probe. In this way. We have a problem here because in continuity mode, when we touch this test probe with this test probe, this red light must be on. And now, like we are watching, is off the light. This means the test probe don't have communication with the digital multimeter in this case. How I know if the problem is the test probe or the digital multimeter? Very easy. Watch here. If I move this, now move this. Look, we have a problem in the black test probe. Now we have continuity. Now we don't have continuity. This means this test probe, the black test probe, is not working correctly in this case. The other look is okay. The problem is this line. This line has the problem in this case. The red knot is the black. In this case, we need to replace the black test probe in this case, this. Because now we detect the problem of this test probe here in this point. The problem is in this point. In this case, I recommend replace this test probe or replace both test probes, the black and the red in this case, for a new ones. And in this way, you can know if the test probe of the digital multimeter are working correctly or not. This is very important because if the test probe are not good, means the measure of the digital multimeter may have mistake in this case. And in this way, you can test the test probe of the digital multimeter in this way. Turn off. And this is your channel, Sosanasa Wang in English. Thank you for watching. Subscribe in our channel. Give me a like and share this video with your friends, your family. And thank you for watching. See you next time. Subscribe to our channel Sosanasa Wang in English and activate the notification bell to receive the notification every Saturday of new videos.